In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix this processing abandoned. This video could not be processed to fix this problem. So I will show you guys how I fixed this problem. All you have to do is go back to the video editor and the same video. I just do rendering again. So I export in this the problematic video and I rendered the same video again to show you guys just doing it again this way. I rendered the video again and successfully uploaded this the video. I got problem the sixth video as you can see, and the seventh video I just re-rendered like I shown in Camtasia. Re-rendered the video and posted right here, and the video successfully published, and it doesn't have any problem guys. So what you guys need to do is just go back to the same video and redo the rendering process, and your problem should be fixed. This might be helpful for some of the people, so I'm making this video. Don't forget to leave a like, it might be helpful for others too. Thank you.